OTV Foresight रो 15th एडिशन रे उपस्थित अमर मुख्य अतिथि गणमाध्यम रो प्रतिनिधि एवं अन्य विशिष्ट व्यक्ति मानकु मु स्वागत जणाउछि। OTV रो 27 वर्षर यात्रा रे फोरसाइट चेंजिंग टाइम्स चेंजिंग माइंड्स होउछि एक विशेष इनिशिएटिव जहा केवल ओडिसा रे नुहे बरम ओडिसा बाहरे मध्य निजरो परिचय सृष्टि करि पारिछि। सबु वर्ष परि आजिरो फोरसाइट रे आम सहित उपस्थित अछंती अनेक विशेष अतिथि माने जे अनेक गुरुत्वपूर्ण विषय उपरे निजरो मत रखिबे। फोरसाइट गत 15 वर्षर यात्रा रे आजि प्रथम थर पई फोरसाइट एक नुआ गवर्नमेंट समय रे हेउची जहा केवल 8 मास तळे क्षमता को आसीछि। मु ए नुआ गवर्नमेंट को शुभेच्छा जनाउची आ आशा करूची कि से माने ओडिसा आ ओडिसा वासी पई काम करिवे। ए समय रे मु आउ गोटे क्लैरिफिकेशन दबाकू चाहूची कि किछि मिस्चिवियस लोको एक मिछ नैरेटिव स्प्रेड करूचंती कि ओटीवी एबे गवर्नमेंट सपक्ष रे रहिबो। मु से मानको मने करे दबा चाहूची कि गत 27 वर्ष रे ओटीवी को ओडिसा वासी नंबर 1 पोजिशन रो मान्यता देइचंती जहा पाई आमे कृतज्ञ ओ गर्वित आउ आमे सेमानकर आस्था केबे भी भांगिबु नाही। आमे कोनसी सरकार रो सपक्ष किंबा विपक्ष रे नुह। आमर जो दायित्व अछि ओडिसा वासी को निरपेक्ष ओ सठिक खबर दबारो आमे सेठारे केबे पछैबु नाही। एटा मोरो प्रॉमिस। I now welcome you all to the 15th edition of Foresight 2025 Changing Times, Changing Minds. In the last 15 years, Foresight has become a popular platform, and the credit goes to the many personalities whose insights have enriched our discourse. Their contribution has elevated Foresight into a prestigious platform for discussion on governance, economy, and society. And once again today, today's Odisha Foresight Convention has some very eminent speakers from various fields. I extend my heartiest welcome to our chief guest for today, Honorable Justice Shri D.Y. Chandrachud ji, the 50th Chief Justice of India. He has been a champion of constitutional values and judicial reforms. His landmark judgments have reinforced fundamental rights, privacy laws, and gender justice. Under his leadership, the Supreme Court has seen a digital transformation, bringing greater transparency and accessibility to judiciary. A scholar of international repute, he has shaped legal discourse globally and remains an inspiration to the legal fraternity. It is indeed an honor to have him with us today for a fireside chat with Radha Madhav Mishra, our executive editor of OTV, who will get us some insights into his journey as well as the Indian judiciary. Indian judiciary is often seen as the guardian of justice. But is the justice truly being delivered, or are we merely following procedures that sometimes fail the victims? How do we tackle systemic inefficiencies and ensure swift yet fair trials? Today, we hope to gain some valuable insights from Honorable Justice Shri Chandrachud ji on how India's judicial system can evolve to meet these challenges. I extend a very warm welcome to you, sir, and we are delighted to have you with us. The national political session today will examine the role of social media and technology in politics, featuring Shri Shahzad Poonawalla, National Spokesperson BJP, Srimati Mumtaz Ahmed Patel, National Spokesperson of INC, and Shri Subhankar Mishra, an eminent journalist. Social media has revolutionized political engagement, enabling leaders to reach citizens directly. This session will delve into how political narratives are shaped online, the ethical concerns surrounding digital propaganda, Overall, while social media has many advantages for political engagement, it also presents challenges related to misinformation, privacy, and the integrity of political discourse. Another insightful conversation would be Small Town Big Dreams, that will bring together pioneering entrepreneurs who have transformed their ambitions into reality from beyond the traditional startup hotspots. The panel will feature industry leaders such as Sri Arvind Pani, Sri Subhat Karo, and Sri Alok Mishra. I welcome you all. In an era where digital connectivity is breaking down geographical barriers, small towns are emerging as dynamic centers of innovation. This session will explore the inspiring journey of entrepreneurs who have successfully built thriving enterprise from small cities, proving that big dreams are not confined to metropolitan landscapes. In the regional political debate, we will deliberate on how the double-engine government can expedite development. With key insights from Sri Prithviraj Harichandanji, Honorable Minister of Law, Government of Odisha, Ms. Sophia Firdaus, MLA, Congress, Odisha, and Sri Arun Sahu, MLA, BJD, Odisha. We will analyze whether a synergy between state and central leadership can truly accelerate reforms, ensure better policy implementation, and provide stability in the government. Finally, our closing session on the entertainment segment will feature veteran actor Sri Dalip Tahil Ramani speaking on AI revolution in Indian filmmaking from script to screen, with artificial intelligence transforming various aspects of cinema and film industry, from script writing and visual effects to production and distribution. The session will explain how AI is reshaping storytelling, creativity, and the overall cinema experience in India. Once again, on behalf of OTV, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the esteemed guests, panelists, and attendees for joining us today. A special thank you to Honorable Justice Sri Chandrachudji for gracing this occasion. We look forward to an engaging and thought-provoking day ahead. Thank you. Namaskar. Jai Jagannath.